Miglab, shout out, mga lalabs. Ganda ng hook earring mo po. Mr. Jadin lalab, miglab siya. Salamat lalabs. Hindi ako lalab nakasando. Yan, 2 million miglab, shout out. Thank you, thank you. Ayan. Sexy mo talaga eh. Patay tayo dyan. Thank you, lalabs. Parang nalipungatan ka, Mr. Jadin. Dan like. Ayan, salamat lalabs, salamat. Pansin ko lang pag nag-open ako ng live ko, ikaw yung una kong nakikita. Salamat lalab, Mr. Jadin. Bakit parang di ka naman nagla-live? Nagla-live ka ba, Mr. Jadin? Ken Russell, Pinoy USA Adventure. Good morning, good evening. Ayan. Ken Russell, lalab, migalab, shout out. Good morning and good evening, everyone. Ken Russell, lalab, migalab, shout out. Aliyah, why are you not sleep? Paano magaling si Papa? Hindi kaya nagduyan, ma. Lalab, Mr. Jadin, lalab, thank you. Dadin. Ayan, pin kita lalab, ha. Dan tadadang. Tumiyan, migalab, shout out and for tamsak mga lalabs. Patamsak ako mga lalab, patamsak po sa aking live. Thank you. Mr. saan? Mr. Samira lalab, Samira Chuchay, Backyard Garden. Good morning. Ayan. Shirt from Samira Chuchay, Backyard Garden lalab. Thank you so much, my friend. How are you? Panoorin natin yung lalab, short video. Samira lalab, I am watching your short video lalabs. Lalab, please connect on the pin, Mr. Jadin vlog. Samira, beautiful relaxing view, London, Amsterdam. YouTube short. Host is done your short video. Yan. Thank you, lalabs. Thank you. Samira Lab, I am watching Lalab and I will connect this one to you, okay? Assalamualaikum. Walaikum salam, lalabs. Samira, I will connect this one to you. This only shorts. Ha? Done watching Lalab, Samira. How are you, sis? I am good, Lalab. And how about you, my friend? Good morning, Ken Russell from Samira. Sis, watch full video, please. Lalab, done watching Lalab. That one is only short. Done watching, my friend. I will watch again, Lalab, with my, my main channel. But just wait because they have ads. Carlos Miguel Lalab, Miguelab, shout out. Hi, host. Lalab, Miguelab, shout out. Carlos Miguel, how are you, my friend? Carlos. Can I ask you, host? Yes, tell me what you're asking. Yes, Carlos. Tell me, Carlos. Samira, this is my main channel. I am watching my friend. Who's done more one short video? Thank you, lalabs. Samira, I'm watching lalabs. Carlos, where are you? Host, can you take off your shirt and do a bra reveal in live? I will send you 100k euro. What? Lalab, you know why if I will do this one, YouTube will kick me out. It's not good, lalabs. Lalab, this is not allowed for YouTube, lalabs. Just a few minutes, host. No, lalabs. I will not do. It's not good. And also my viewers will ing me if I will do this one, Lala. It's not good. Samira Lalag. Hi, host. Yes, Lalags. If you want to support my live, it's okay. You will support me. I will say thank you so much, Lalab. But for to do this, Lalab not good. Maybe my viewers will unsubscribe me. Okay? If you want, Lalab, you can support me, Lalab. That down of my name, there's a join button. You can click that one. Then you will support my live. Even $1 Lalab, I will accept. I will appreciate it. Down of my video Lalabs. Name. There's a join button. Like this, Lalabsa. You will see the join button from down, the blue one. If you click that one, you will see Lalabs. So that you will support my live. But to do like this is not good. Ayan. Host done 2 short video. Ayan. I just want to support you, baby. 5 million mega live shout out. Can you do it in private? Oh my God. Don't say about this one, Lalab. This one, all my viewers will see your message. Takuluku. I'm so sorry, host. Ayan, no problem. Madam Ara, may love shoutout Takuluku. Wala si Takuluku, madam. Tingnan mo naman, madam, yung meron dyan isang wakwak. Maghubad daw ako, bigyan niya akong pera. Uy, grabe. Patay tayo dyan. Ay, really sorry, host. No problem, lalab. Dang, saro cellphone mo, dang. Subli. Ano din na, pagbalik mo, dali mo, dang. Lasing yon. I really sorry, host. No problem, lalab. I will not angry to you. Kukumix Vlog, thumbs up, host. Kukumix Vlog, kaya nagbaba ng bahay. Lablabin natin si Madam Ara, mga lalab, 2 p.m. Meron siyang live streaming, mga lalabs. Lablabin natin. Carlos Miguel, connect to Ara Lalab. Ara also is beautiful. Pumupunta din yan sa LS ko. Can you forgive me, host? Yes, Lalab, no problem. I will not angry to you. No problem. I'm a good person. Okay? Ara and Elos Vlog. Ayan. Lablabin natin si Madam Ara. Tadadan. Carlos Miguel. Shout out. Ayan. Sorry for what I did. No problem, Lalab. I told you I will not angry. It's okay. Ayan, lablabin natin yan si Madam Ara, mga lalabs. Love-labin. No problem, my friend. I'm just looking for Pinay girlfriend. Really? I will, Madam Ara, you are single? How old are you, Carlos? Ano kaya itsura niyan? Okay, ano, Carlos Miguel, I have Facebook page, lalabs. If you want to send me a lot of message, lalab, you can follow my page, lalabs. You are 30 years old. I have lalab Facebook page. My name there is Island Skill Blog. Same of my name here and Facebook. If you search that one, lalab, you will see my name. You will send me message privately there. But here in my live, you cannot send message like that because everybody will see. Everybody will read your message to me. Can we do there in your FB Messenger? Single ready to mingle. Ayan, please connect to Madam Ara. Ay, Madam Ara, di ba nagpupunta rin yan sa'yo? Anong sinasabi niyan? Just follow my my FB page. I will put my FB page there, okay? Follow me there, lalab, then send me message there, no problem. But here you cannot send message because everybody will see your message. I feel shy for everybody. Pakitaan ka niyan ng lamusto. Patay tayo dyan mga lalabs. Tay DJ West Plain, anong lamusto? Lamusto, yung tender juicy. Ganon din sinasabi niya. Tay DJ West Plain, ano yan? Tender juicy. Syuhada, tender juicy yan. Si Tay DJ West Plain, lamusto daw, Madam Ara. When you do it in your messenger host, tender juicy, hot dog, yes. Oh my goodness. Tender juicy hot dog. Yes. Tama-tama, Tay DJ, you are correct. Ipapalo ko rin, Madam Ara. Ang problema kasi na-restrict yung aking yung aking page last night, iwan. Wala akong ginagawang masama. Na-restrict ako ni Meta ng 24 hours. Doon nyo daw gawin. Patay. Patay tayo dyan. Alam nang napakahigpit na. Dito ka na lang sa native longganisa. Longganita short. Ano kasi yan? Tender juicy. Tender juicy. Malambot. Malambot yan mga lalags. Ayan. Arain Elos Vlog. Your funny host. Coco Mix Vlog. Ayan, nagbaba ng bahay. Madam Ara, ganyan. Your funny, sabi niya. Napupunta rin pala yan sa live mo? Carlos, connect to everybody, lalab. Coco Mix, lalab, how are you? Wala na ata si Wala na ata si Mr. Jadin. Ara, seductive ang banner mo. O yun yung banner ni Madam Ara, paakit yun. Nakaganyan, Nakaganyan siya, paakit yun ng viewers para puntahan mo, Tay DJ. Ganon talaga. Ganon yung mga gandang yun yung mga gandang mga thumbnail. Di pa pa lang, thumbnail pa lang, na. Swak na, Radios Boy, hi K. Nakituloy ako sa iyo, Ara, har. Paakit nga yung ni Madam Ara, yung thumbnail. Meron siyang nakaupo, nakaganon siya, Paakit Paakit yun si Madam, pinakita yung kanyang magandang legs. Sabi niya sa LS ko habang nanonood daw siya sa akin, naglo ng lamusto atay. Yun, Naglo ng kanyang lamusto, hindi makapigpigil. Si Osden Sexy, nagbibikini sa thumbnail. Patay tayo dyan. Ay sus, Ginoo, from Tay DJ West Plain. Bawal tayo mga lalab. Gusto ko na nga gawin yung mga lalab sa Facebook, yung ba yun, yung kalderong gumagalaw, gano'n, Nakaubad tapos yung kaldero nakaharang sa baba. Ganun, oh. Milyon ang views, mga lalab. Try ko kayang gawin, di kaya may manood kaya. Ay, sus, Ginoo. Ayun, Kalanjiam. Lalab, migalab, shout out, Kalanjiam. Ayan, lalab, meron ka ng jacket. Hi, host, na-in love ako sa boses mo from DJ West Plain. Grabe naman yan, ma-in love ka, oy. Ate, musta na miss kita? Ayan, Radius Boy, lalab, kumusta ka na? Miss you so much. Mas malaki na ata yung bayong, tingnan niya natin. Hala, yung, kumusta ka na, lalab? Nasaan ka na ngayon? Nasa barko ka na ngayon? Radius Boy? Sima na ata to si Radius Boy, ah. Rizal Jamal, lalab, migalab, shout out. Rizal. Kalanjiam, lalab, migalab, shout out. Jonas Kidan, ayan. Kana, bikini din may lalaki sa harap. Walang lalaki, lalab. Paano mangyayari? Walang lalaki. Gawin kaya yung kaldero. Balak ko yung yung malaking planggana yan, ganyan-ganyan ko. Di ba uso yan sa Facebook? Million yung views. Kalanjiam, may nagbaba ng bahay, Kalanjiam. Malalabin natin si Coco Mix. Ayan, si Madam Ara, ay si Kuya Pabs pala to. Kuya Pabs pala tong Sutanghon, masarap short video. Si Madam Ara, meron yan live mga lalab, 2 p.m. Please support Mrs. from Kalanjiam, lalab. Yes, no problem. I'm gonna check your lalab, ha? Your video. Rini Kalunsag, good non host. Rini Kalunsag, ayan, lalab, migalab, shout out. Everyone here, migalab, shout out. 8 million, migalab, shout out. Where are you now, Carlos? Tay DJ, brother, ayan. Rini, kumusta ka na, Radius Boy? Kumusta na ang ating buhay? Good noon, host, from Rini Kalunsag. Rene, ayan, lablabin natin. Nakapin, mga lalab, nakapin. Wala na ba ang daddy ng baby mo, host? Nandun sa ibang bansa, lalab. Bakit, lalab? Balak ka bang nandun sa malayong lugar. Ito is Ailinski vlog. Masarap mahal ito kasi nakakaakit ang boses niya. Patay tayo dyan. Kaya pala si Carlos Miguel naglulo na, oy. From Thai DJ West Plain. 7 million mag-love shout out. Introducing today's shrimp tank to everyone. Japanese friend, how are you, my friend? Natawa tuloy si Madam Ara. Patay tayo dyan. Pero pero kayo pa rin ba ng daddy ng baby mo? Grabe yung mga tanong mo, lalaba. Oh my God. Sobrang personal lang tanong ni Radius Boy. Ayan. San na si Ara? Ara, na-miss na kita. Madam Ara, miss ka daw ni Tay DJ. Meron yan live mamaya. Makikita mo yan si Madam Ara doon sa live niya. Napakaganda. Bakit may Mariang Palad Bahos? Secret, lalab. Tay DJ, nagmamarites lang. Nagmamarites lang yan, lalab. Tay DJ, nagmamarites daw si Madam Ara. Nakalimutan ko na tuloy yung itatype ko. Ara, I can wait to see you. Ara, musta na ang puso mo? Puntahan mo sa live niya, Tay DJ, mamaya. Makita mo si Madam Ara. Napakaganda doon sa live niya mamaya. Kalanjiam dan from Coco Mix Vlog. Kalanjiam, lalab, please connect to Coco Mix Vlog. Host, may mga new upload ako. Oo, lalabs. Ito Tatay DJ, bilat pa din. Malaking bilat. Tatay DJ, bilat pa rin daw si Madam Ara. Parang feeling ko si Madam Ara dalaga. Parang wala tang asawa si Madam Ara. Di ko lang sure ha. On the way ako sa nakapin from Rene Kalunsag. Di ko lang alam kung single si Madam Ara. Lagi yan nasa LS ko si Tatay DJ. Kaya pala. Mamaya pupunta, naging ano lang yan, napapalipas lang yan ng oras si Tatay DJ. Ayan, 8 million, Miguel, shout out. Radius Boy. Akala ko nasa ibang bansa ka na Radius Boy. Siman ka na ba? Siman ka lang dito, local siman ka lang ba? Nay pasukan akong live streamer, naka-apron lang at walang bra at panty. Maraming nagpapalipad doon, kaya pala sabi ni Carlos Miguel, Ara at Chiti Masu, Ara. Single ready to mingle. Sino naman yun, Tay DJ? Ay Radius Boy. Di natin pwedeng gawin yan mga lalaki kasi nakakaya sa mga viewers. Yung mag-ubad tayo para lang sa views, patay tayo dyan. Ara ko rin, from Tay DJ West Plain. Sabi niya kanina, can I ask Ailinski? Sabi niya magubad ka sa harap dito sa live mo tapos I will send you 100 euro. Patay tayo dyan. Kapalit ng 100 euro, yung mo naman yung yung YouTube mo, ni Lulu. Isa-shutdown, patay tayo dyan. Di ako siman, nagtatravel lang ako. Nagtatravel ka lang. Sana all nagtatravel lang. Ingat ka lalab sa iyong pag-travel. Dan na po kay Kiko Mix doon sa sa Tanghon host ng iwan po ako. Coco Mix Vlog lalab. Manatulog ulit sa Aliyah ma. Dan na po kay Kiko Mix. Doon sa sa Tanghon. Coco Mix lalab, pasuklian mo si Rene Kalunsag lalab. Rene Kalunsag. Daming nag-scam, sabi daw send money, yung iba di nagsisend. Gusto lang yan lalab makakita ng ng siomay. Gusto lang makita ng siomay, syuhada. Gusto lang makita ng bilat. 5 million Miguel, daming ng scam. O nga lalab. Ayan si Madam Ara, 2 PM meron siyang live. Kamsakan natin. Yan, 5 million Miguel, shout out. Nag-apron din kaya ako. Sige na Madam Ara, mag-apron ka Madam Ara, baka abutin ng 100 yung tao mo. Lahat sila magpalipad sa iyo. Nakikita nila yung mo, yung donut. Yung donut mo dyan. Try mo Madam mag-apron. Habang naka-live, iwan ko lang kung hindi ka pasukin ng mga mo, followers na mga lalaki. Yung yung ibang babae na nag-live, naglalaro ng part niya kahit di pinapakita sa LS. May ganun ba? Tay DJ, Hontino. May ganun ba lalabs? Ay, ano ba tong ginawa ko? Hindi ko naman yun magagawa, ano. Agoy, I hide sila doon. Nag-sniper ako. Patay tayo dyan. Palablab mga lalab, palablab. Ayan, I love being criminal. Takuluko, how are you? Nabuhay. Pero nakataas ang camera para di ma-demoni ang whiting niya. Utos kasi ng mga lalaki maglaro siya siya sa part niya. I love being a criminal to, Shohada. You are a criminal? Takuluko. Nakita ko si Takuluko kahapon, madam Nagpunta sa live mo. How are you, lalab? Takuluko. Lukuluko. Pwede ara. Sila Takulukong lukuluko. 8 million. Migalab shout out mga lalab. 8 million. 8 million. Palabalaba ko kay Madam Ara mga lalab. Upcoming live 2 p.m. Dan na po kayo nakapin mga lalabs. Dan na kayo. Tingin, panurin ko muna nga kay Kuya. Ay, tapos na pala. Upcoming live ni Madam Ara mga lalab. The police have been looking for me since 2018. I will report you to police lalab. Palablab na kapin mga lalab Ara in Ilos naka 1.5 views siya every LS. Kasi nga lalab pinapakita niya yung kanyang tipyas. Ganon yon. Dahil karamihan sa YT is mga natutuwa sa ganyan. Ginagaganahan. Hindi naman natin magagawa yun kasi tayo eh. Anatawat tutumi. Totimo. Siku shidi shuara. Kaya lang nagkakaintindihan, Madam Ara. Takuloko, thank you for coming in my life. I'm so happy, Antonio. Wow! I've been 6 years free already. Ayan. From Takuloko, pakitamsak po guys. Sunod kita Radius Boy ha. Happy birthday Mother Mary Mananita at St. Nicholas Paris Plaridel. Bulacan? Palablab na kapin mga Tay DJ. Ayan si Radius Boy nagbaba ng bahay. 9 million mega love shoutout. 9 million. Yung iba daw nagmamariyang palad. Patay tayo dyan. Ayoko naman ganun lalabs. Ayoko naman magmariyang palad. Patay tayo dyan. Masya-shutdown tayo. Madidimuni tayo ni Whitey niyan kung ganyan. Ang pinaghirapan mo tas gagawa ka ng isang beses, wala. Kulab tayo Ara from Tay DJ West Plains. Taga saan ka ba Tatay DJ? Ayan, punta ka sa live. Ito ata yung singer ni Madam Ara. Ikaw ba yung singer ni Madam Ara? Islandsky, do you like bacon? No, I don't eat bacon. Habang naglalaro ang live streamer, nag-views, sinasabayan din siya. Oh my God. Kabitin niyo po ako from Tay DJ West Plain. Ayan. Ikaw ba yung umakyat kay Madam Ara, yung singer niya? Ikaw yun? Tay DJ? Ayan, naulan ng mga lalabo. It's raining. It's raining, rain, rain, rain. Hindi pa po. Akala ko ikaw yung singer niya, lalabs. Meron kasi yan si Madam Ara, meron yan singer na yung lalaki. Umakit sa live niya, kumakanta. 8 million mega love shoutout. 8 million. Akit po ako mamaya kay sige lalabs. Mamaya kay Madam Ara kasi kay Madam Ara maraming tao dyan eh. Yung viewers niya naabot ng naabot ng hundreds. Marami siyang tao. Marami kayong makukuha ang banana dyan mga lalas. Ayan. Paano na lang mga lalab, padikit yung nakapin mga lalabs. Diana Dimoni, pero ang matino na live streamer na Dimoni pa siya, hindi. Magaling yun lalab. Yun ang gawain niya para magkaroon ng maraming views and then marami siyang palipad. Ganon yun. Yun ang diskarte niya mga lalab. Para-paraan lang yan lalabs, Radius Boy. Para kumita. Noon, yun, dami na, wala na tayo. Ayan. Elensky, if you were asleep as your boyfriend put a banana in your mouth. Sure, what you're asking like that, not good. Takuluka. I don't eat banana. RN Elusdan from Kukumix Vlog. I don't eat banana lalab. I don't like banana. I hate banana. Tao pala. Madam Ara, nung tinatanong ni Takuluko, banana daw. Isa rin to si Takuluko, may saltik eh. Tao pala, ayan. Takuluko, what you're asking to me, lalab? Kukumix Vlog, nagbaba ng bahay. Mga lalab, palablab ako nakapin. Mga lalab. Kukumix Vlog, nagbaba ng bahay. I will not remove your moderator, Takuluko, because you are my friend, lalab. That's why, but don't say like that, lalab is not good. 3 million, mega love shout out. My cousin told me to ask you. Tell to your cousin, don't ask me like that. Respect you. I will respect you. Tell him to respect me also. Okay? Tell to your cousin, he's crazy. Okay? Kanina may gustong magubad ka ngayon. Banana naman. Oh my God. Pabs TV Dan Sutangon, dating dikit, my cousin is a girl. Really? Maybe your cousin is still not eating lunch. Thumbs love, CCO, kumusta ka na? Love you, Ashraf. Lalab, kumusta ka na, lalab? Long time. Love you, Ashraf. Ang laki na siguro ng bahay ni Love you, Ashraf. Ara Migalab, shout out. Madam Ara Migalab, shout daw po, madam. TK Channel, Tamsak 13 host, thanks. Ayan. Lalab, salamat sa patamsak mo. Ara Migalab, shout out. Bakit madaming lalaki na ang gusto kang bastusin? Hayaan mo sila, lalab. I don't care. Ayan. Oo nga, long time no see, ha. Bihira mo nga mag-white tea. Oo nga, lalab. Ako nga, minsan lang naman mag-live. Love you, Ashraf. Migalab, shout. Long time no see. Nabibisi to nabibisi si Love you, Ashraf. Pero ang laki na rin ng bahay niya. Love you, Ashraf. Baka tingin nila sa akin, lalab, nakahubad. Bakit ganun sila? Bakit ganun sila? Ayan. Mega love, shout out Ara and Elos Vlog. Morning Morning po, ma'am. Oh, laking tulong mga short video kahit di nangingisda. Parang di naman. Bakit, hindi naman na ngayon? Hindi naman na si Lolo namimigay ng free? Dati namimigay, parang ngayon hindi na. TK Channel, my sweetie, good morning. She said she's sorry. Okay, no problem. I accepted, lalab. No problem. Kaya nga, long time no si busy. Busy lang. Busy ka, nag-work ka ba, lalabs? Love you, Ashraf. Mag-premiere ako mamaya, 1:15. 1:15 yung lalab? Gabi o? Ngayong hapon? Ngayong 1:15 na hapon? Pakitamsak po, guys, from Radios. 1:15 yung premiere mo, Radios? Madam Regina, Migalab, shout out po, Regina, Charap, tamsak, ma'am. Ayan, Migalab, shout out po, premiere today, 1:15. From Love you, Ashraf. Good afternoon from Regina Charap. Yes, Sisi, mamaya na. 1:15. Sige, 1:15. Sige. Mega love shout out to all. Ayan, from Love You Ashraf. Sige, lalabs. Patamsak pa ako nakapin mga lalab 2 PM live ni Madam Ara. $6 million mega love shout out mga lalabs. Alinsky, did you eat lunch today? Why are you talking crazy? Ako pa yung nag-talking crazy, why lalab? Why like this asking like that? Ako pa yung nag-crazy, nag-ask ng crazy. On the way, Pin, Arasis, from Love You Ashraf. Salamat lalab on the way. Ayan. Ako pa yung nag-asking ng crazy lalab, why like this? I already done my lunch lalab. I already full. I eat pansit canton. Wala kami ulam ngayong tanghali, mga lalabs. Si Papa kasi nag-inom. Your hijab is in closet? Yes. I put it in the closet, lalabs. But when I go back to UAE, lalab, I will wear this one, hijab. But here in the Philippines, no, I didn't wear because here it's very hot. Junaski. 5 million mega love share, 14 tamsak mga lalabs. Dan na po ba kayo magtamsak kay Madam Ara mga lalabs? Dan na po ba kayo? Love You Ashraf, nasaan na yung mo lalabs? Patamsakan natin. Too hot. Far gone. It's too hot. Far gone. Mega love shout out lalab. Too hot. "24 hours AC fan. Oh my God." Dancis Ara from Love You Ashraf. Ayan. Mega love shirt, beautiful host from Fargan. Fargan lalab, mega love shirt. Thank you. $7 million mega love shirt. Dancis Ara. May nabasa na akong message mga lalab. May nabasa na akong message dito sa cellphone ko, kaya ako tumatawa mga lalaba. 7 million mega love sweeting. Lalab, just take the abaniko. Just take small what is this called? Pamaypay. Ano English nun? Ang premier parang kakaiba, di na nakalagay yung live chat. O lalabs, tapos kapag nag-upload ka, Ailensky, do you like mayonnaise? Yes, I like it. Harang dikit from Forgan. Why lalab, you don't have aircon? Your aircon is not working. Maybe you didn't pay your electricity. That's why your aircon is korban. Ayan. Anong bago sisi host? Yung parang pag kasi nag-try akong nag-upload ng ng short video, yung naman siya, nag-viral, nag 1.3. 2.3 pala. Wala naman free binigay na dati, nagbibigay si Lolo. Pero ngayon hindi na. Hindi na siya nagbibigay. Kuripot na si Lolo mo ay. Hindi na siya, dati binigay niya ako ng ng 10 na free. But ngayon wala nang free. Bala ka sa buhay mo. Is there a lot of poor people in the Philippines? No. The people are all rich. No poor people here. Who told you? Lalabs oy. Takuluko. Who told you like that? It's not good. Fried chicken ay look sarap and masarap host. Yes, lalab. Ay haha, baka bukas bigyan ka, inshallah. Di naman yan ba, lalab nagbibigay na. Ilang beses na. Hindi nagbibigay na si Lolo, nagbago na. Pagpag is rich food. No, pagpag is a dirty food. This from the garbage. They are wash it, then after they recook. Then they will, sell to other people. This is very, very cheaper, lalab. Pagpag. Maybe you are eating pagpag, lalab. Palablab na kapin mga lalab. Nasaan? 1:30, anong oras na ba? O ay 1:15. Love you, Ashraf. Baba mo yung mo, lalab. Sana yon. Have you tried pagpag before? Yeah, ay pagpag may bed because there's a lot of, bed bugs. Pagpag. I didn't need pagpag, lalab. No pagpag here. 5 million mega love share at 16 thumbs up. Pagpag, ambot, pagpag. Ayan. Love you, Ashraf. Nasaan na, lalab? Baba mo na. La 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 la. Baba mo na kita, madam, ha? Mga lalab, may premiere si 1:15. 1:15 premiere ni 14 minutes. Kay Love you, Ashraf. Love you, Ashraf. Chicken barbecue looks delicious and yum, host. Thank you so much, Lalab Forgan. Thank you, Lalab. I love barbecue. I heard if you eat pagpag, that's make you gay. Is that true? Yeah, if you eat pagpag, you makes gay. You become bakla. You become bading. You become bakla, takuluko. That's true, lalab. That's true. Ayan, 8 million mega love shout out, mga lalabs. Fargan. Ayan, natawa tuloy si Fargan, no? Check natin yung bahay ni Fargan. Your subscriber is 1.26. We already connected my main channel, lalabs. Mga lalab, palablab ako nakapin 1:15 premiere ni ni Love You, Ashraf. Is that why you're gay? You ate it. You eat it? Yes. I am gay, lalab. I am pretending that I'm a girl, but I'm a gay, okay? From Takuluku. Ayan, 6 million mega love shout out, mga lalabs. Love you, Ashraf Dan from Kuku Mix Vlog. Love you, Ashraf, lalab. Pabalikan na lang, lalab, si Coco Melon. Coco Mix, Bloody Dance. Lalab, salamat lalab sa pagnood kay Bloody. That's haram. Yeah, it's haram. In you, it's what call of this? Oh my God, nabablock out tuloy ako, mga lalabs, oy. In Arab country, that gay for Muslim people, that one is haram, means it's not allowed, not accepted, okay? But here in the Philippines, there's a lot of gay. And we are no problem about gay. We respect each other, okay? Mga lalab na kapin. 10 minutes, start na yung Love you, Ashraf. Fargan, please, thumbs up, Love you, Ashraf on the pin. 10 minutes, premiere will start. Thanks, Coco on WOTW. Lovable and adorable baby boy. Say daddy. Ow, so precious host. Thank you so much, Fargan Lalabs. Thank you, my friend. Mga lalab, it's raining outside. It's raining. It's good to sleep. It's raining, rain, go away. 17 thumbs up, mga lalab. Thanks, Coco Dan from Love You, Ashraf. Mga lalab, malapit na mag-start yung yung premiere ni Love You, Ashraf. Ayan, exactly, Huz. It's raining, yes. It's raining. Ayan, 6 million. Mega love shout out, mga lalab. 6 million. 10 minutes, mga lalab. Mag-start na po yung, yung premiere ni I Love You, Ashraf. I will pin your link, Pargan, okay? After this one, Love You, Ashraf, you are the next. Are you living in the Philippines, overseas of country, host? Lalab, I'm living in the Philippines right now because before I was working abroad, but now I'm here in the Philippines. Takuluko, ayan, Ailinski, Lalab, yes. You're about Philippines. Do you live host? Yes, I'm here in the Philippines, Lalab. Madam Burgess vlog, tamsak to support. Madam Burgess, salamat po sa patamsak po, Madam. God bless. Salamat, Madam, sa patamsak po. Yes, Lalab, I am living here in the Philippines. I'm Filipino. And you are from which country, Lalabs? Fargan. You are from India? Nice one, host. You are from which country, Fargan? Kati ng ilong ko. You watch my video. I already watched this one. You have new upload. Takuluko? Oh, this one. The stealing guy. You have new upload? Another video. You are stealing this one. Ice cream. Crazy. Yeah, I already watch. Then watching Takuluko. Funny Dog. Awisam, host. Thank you, Lalabs. Mongolia, host. Mga lalab, mag-start na po yung premiere ni Love You, Ashraf, mga lalab. Ilang minutes na lang, mga lalab, mag-start na po yung niya. Ula. Host, have you ever visit in? No. Fargan, you are the next. I will pin your link, okay? After this one. Love You, Ashraf. Thanks, sis. Five minutes, I erase it. Why you erase? Just upload good video Takuluko. I didn't steal ice cream. No, I didn't steal ice cream. This is not good to steal, Lala. If you have money, you can buy it. Don't steal, Lala. This is not good. You know why? If you die, you will go to the hell. If you are doing like this every day and every day, Lala, if you not change your your bad things, it's not good, Lalab. You should to do good. Okay? Baka ikaw na, cow, sunny day, greeny, beautiful view, host, amazing and wonderful province. I love stealing. This is stealing, Lalab, is not good, Lalab. God will punish you someday. Stealing is not good. Start na ba yung yung premiere ni Mga lalab, 2 minutes na lang mag-start na po yung ni Love You Ashraf. Yung kanyang live. Mag-start na mga lalab yung live ni ni Three minutes lalab, mag-start na po yung premiere ni Love You Ashraf. 3 minutes mga lalab, 3 minutes. Fargan, don't go lalab ha. After this one, Love You Ashraf finish, I will pin your link and I will give you extra banana, okay? Ginataang kalabasa looks fresh and healthy host. Yes, lalab, thank you. Lalab, thank you. Saliram Gamer, lalab, migalab, shout out, Saliram. Saliram Gamer, lalab, migalab, shout out. Ayan, magi-start na yung live, yung premiere. Magsimula na pala, premiere ko sis, balik ako. Sige na lalab. Nakaano na, ready na. Nag-start na lalab yung premiere mo. Fargan lalab, please lalab. Support on the pin lalab. Premiere already started. Premiere. Ay. Lalab, nag-start na yung premiere ng nakapin mga lalabs, yung nakapin. Fargan, you are next ha. Beef with mushroom, yum. Yes, lalab. It's yum. Lalab DTS, how are you my friend Lalab DTS? How are you Lalabs? Lalab Migalab, shout out my friend DTS. We're supporting on the Pin Lalabs premiere. Love you, Lalab DTS. Adobong sitaw, fresh organic vegetable hose. Ayan. Fargan Lalab, thank you. Tapos na ang live ni Love You Ashraf. Where is your link, Fargan? Drop your link, Lalabs. Tapos na yung live ni ay yung premiere ni Love You Ashraf. Saliram Gamer Dan from Kukumix Vlog. Saliram Gamer Dan. Kukumix nagbaba ng bahay, Kukumix. Sunod kita dito is Lalaba. I will pin your link after this one. Palitan natin yung nakapin at tapos na siyang mag premiere. Lalaba, I give you 5 banana Fargan, okay? Fargan. Fargan, I will not leave the comment, okay? You still here? Fargan, watching Lalab, your horror horror house of horror, ayan. Watching Lalab, House of Horror, Botgar. Let's go together, fam. Connect this one, my friend. I give you 5. Two banana for you, Fargan. Connect to banana, lalabs. Fargan. I give you 5 banana, okay? I'm still watching. Ayan, 6,020,000 thumbs up. Miguel Love, shout out. Abu Dhabi Road, beautiful and super, sunny day, host, too hot. Yes. It's Abu Dhabi, it's too hot country. Mostly this month, still hot. Fargan Dan. Fargan Lalab, connect to Coco Mix. Third banana for you, Lalab. Fargan, 3 banana for you, 3. Three banana, lalabs. I'll give you another 2. Asan ka na pala ngayon, Sisi? Nandito sa Pinas, lalabs. Love you, Ashraf. Di pa ako nagbalik abroad. Inshallah, next year. Next year, lalab, balik abroad tayo. Dito ako sa Pinas ngayon. Tingnan mo, nag-iba yung yung background. Sa abroad, maganda yung ating background kasi meron tayong ginagamit na magandang computer doon. Hindi ko siya lalab na dalan, doon lang yun. Soon, babalik tayo doon. Nagano ko dito lalab, ng 1 taon na ako, love you, Ashraf. Nung June. Ikaw, basan ka ba? Nasa ibang bansa ka? Okay, nice naman. Sobrang mahal ang bilihin dito, lalabs. Kalain mong yung 1,000 pesos, parang 100 pesos na lang. Pancit beer looks delicious, my favorite host. Ayan, oo, nice. Fargan. Kung nala ko dati kung pagbisita sa LS mo, nasa Pinas ka. Oo. Dito sa Canada, Sisi. Nasa Canada ka pala. Malaki ang pera dyan, lalab, sa Canada. Ayan, lalabs. Done watching. Done 5 banana for you, Fargan. I will pin, Nasa Canada ka pala, lalab. Akala ko nasa Pinas ka. Nabibisi ka, di ka na nagla-live. Okay lang yan kung hindi ka makapag-live. Pwede ka naman mag-update, mag-upload ka ng mga short. At least updated ka pa rin, di ba? Fargan, done 5 banana, lalab. Matagal ka na dyan, love you, Ashraf, sa Canada. Unlimited support, harang, lalab, unlimited, big love, shout out. Salamat sa parang di talaga ako nag-LSCs. Ayan, upload lang ako at premiere. Pero ano, love you Ashraf. Nare-reach mo rin yung $100 sa pa-upload lang? Nakakapagsahod ka rin ba dyan? Kahit di ka di ka nagla-live? Ilang beses ka na ba nakasweldo dyan sa ano? Kasi magkano lang yung kita ng ano, ng isang oras? Mga $2, $2. 2 pa lang 2 years ka na pala dyan. Malaki ang pera dyan, lalab, sa Canada. May family ka dyan o nag-apply ka papunta dyan? Fargan, lalab, dan 5 banana for you, ha? Ayan, 3 million mega love, shout out. Dalawang sweldo pa lang. Ako hindi ako nakasweldo, lalabs. Ano kasi ako, lalab? Uwi ako ng Pilipinas kasi ano ako, lalabs. Love you, Ashraf. Nabuntis ako. Nanganak na ako, lalab. Merong anak na 6 months. 6 months old. Babae. Nung March, nanganak ako nung March. Meron na akong anak isa. Kasi naisip ko, kung panay trabaho doon sa abroad, walang mangyayari. Parang kulang ang kulang yung sarili mo. Parang hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko dahil wala akong anak. Meron na akong baby girl, lalab. Oh, thank you. Malaki na siya, lalab. 6 months na, magsi-7 na. Kaya inisip ko muna, uwi muna ako ng Pinas kasi kahit isa lang, okay na ako. At least meron na sa aking mag-alaga pagdating ng araw. Hi there everyone from Unlimited Support. And 5 million mag-love shout out. Wow, parang kailan lang parang kailan lang meron na ako. Na ko, lalab, love you Ashraf. Nasiis ako, lalab. Hindi ko kayang umiri. Nasiis ako nun. Kasi hindi siya makalabas. Ang sakit-sakit kasi. My nightly routine after work, standing host, super, Fargan, awisam stream host. Thank you. Fargan, lalab, thank you so much. I already give you 5 banana, okay? Sunod kita unlimited support, ha? Unlimited support. Sunod kitang awisam stream host. Thank you, my friend, Unlimited. Unlimited, you are the next, okay? I will pin your link. After, DTS Orchestra, I will pin. Oh, malaki na siya. Malaki na siya, lalabs. Matangkad yung baby ko. Babae. Train Orama, my friend. Hello, beautiful people. Super shoutout. Silensky Vlog. Lalab, thank you. How are you, Train Orama? Megalab shoutouts to my, friend. Train Orama Studios. Ayan. Thank you, my friend. Unlimited support, you are the next, lalaba. I will pin your link after this one. DTS Orchestra. Ikaw ba, love you, Ashraf, may anak ka na ba? O single? Single ka, lalabs? Coco Mix Vlog, ayan, nagbaba ng bahay, 26 like press, ayan. Unlimited, my friend, thank you so much, lalab. Lablabin natin si Coco Mix Vlog. Coco Mix, ayan, nagbaba ng bahay si Coco Mix, mga lalabs. Coco Mix, ayan, lablabin natin mga lalab, 7 million, mega love shout out. Unlimited support. Mga lalab, please support on the pin mga lalab DTS Orkes. Dan na po ba kayo mga lalab kay DTS? Connect one banana for you lalab DTS. I am watching lalab ha. Let's connect from unlimited support. Let's connect mga lalab. Connect. Ayan. 5 million mega love shout out. 5 million. Please connect to unlimited support mga lalabs. And then on the pin, DTS Orkes. Please support mga lalab. Please support everyone. 25 thumbs up. Thank you. There's a fish. $6 million mega love shout out. 6 million. Mga lalab, maglapag kayo ng mga bayan yan. Pwede kayong magpalitan mga lalab, magdikitan. Remember to like this LS for our wonderful host. Ayan. Trinorama Studio lalab, thank you so much. Thank you my friend, Trinorama, for supporting my live. Thank you. Ayan, 7 million mega love shout out mga lalabs. Dan na kayo andapin mga lalabs na nakapin. $7 million mega love shout out. 7 million. 27 thumbs up mga lalabs. Thumbs up dan from Trinorama Studio lalab. Thank you so much. Sino ba to si Trinorama? Check nga natin. Si Skarky ba to? Cadillacs and dinosaur gameplay on the Red Magic. Ayan. Dan na kayo nakapin mga lalabs na nakapin. DTS lalab watching my friend DTS. Okay? Kiagos Imlamin official lalab. Hi my friend. Kiagos Imlamin lalab. Migalab shout out. How are you? Kiagos Imlamin. Thank you my friend. Ayan, palit tayo ng nakapin mga lalab. Punta tayo kay unlimited support. You still here lalabs? Unlimited Demo Publican. Mega love shout out. Di mo publican, my friend. How are you? How are you, my friend? I'm fine. Ayan. How are you, lalabs? I'm fine. Thanks for asking. Unlimited support, you still here, lalab, or you already left? Unlimited support, lalab, you still here? Ayan, fantastic and still guwapo. Ano, please connect to Trenora Rama, lalab. He's guwapo, handsome guy. 5 million, big love shout out. 5 million. How is the weather there? You're at, this, a few minutes, lalab, ano, it's raining. But now, ano, now the sunlight is, ano, coming. Before it's raining, lalabs. Kaya Gus Imlamin, lalab, migalab, shout out. Please connect on the pin, mga lalab, unlimited support. Unlimited support, you still here, lalab, or you already left? In a few days, it will be fall. Okay, lalabs? How about in your country, lab? It's raining? It's raining there? $7 million, Miguel Love, shout out 7 million. Mga lalab palablab na kapin, you already left. It's dry here in ano ba yun? Missouri for now. Tamsak lang, work. Aray ko, sumakit bigla yung leg ko, YouTube Uno. 9 million, Miguel Love, shout out YouTube Uno. Miguel Love, shout out lalab. Tamsak lang, work. Napakasipag talaga ng YouTube Uno. Lalab, salamat sa patamsak mo, lalabs. Promise, ang ganda mo. Lalab, thank you po. Si YouTube Uno, lagi na lang sasabihan maganda. Thank you, YouTube Uno. Thank you. Totoo naman. Salamat, lalab. Salamat, lalab, YouTube Uno. Mga lalab, please connect to Trend Ora, malalabs. Wala nata si umalis na si unlimited support. Trend Ora tayo, mga lalab. 7 million, Miguel Love, shout out 7 million. Salamat po, YouTube Uno, lalab. Naka-break time ka ba, lalabs? YouTube Uno, naka-break time ka? Sana mag-StreamYard ka someday para makaakit ako, kakanta tayo. StreamYard? Sige lalaba, naka-StreamYard ako ah. Inshallah lab, naka-direct kasi ako sa YouTube. Sige lalab, gawin natin yan. Kailan ka ba akyat? Ayan, 7 million Miguel Love, shout out, 30 thumbs up. Naka-direct kasi ako kay YT. Schedule natin, sige lang lalab, sige lang. Ano kasi YouTube no, i-follow mo ko sa ano para ma-message mo ko. Meron akong FB page, Islandsky Vlog. I-search mo lalab. Ma-message mo ko doon lalab ha. Ito yung lalab yung page ko, YouTube no. Ito YouTube no, ito yung page ko lalab. Pag ayan o, Islandsky Vlog. Message mo ko dyan lalab, yan yung ano ko, yan yung profile ko sa, ayan o. FB page ko lalab. Islandsky Vlog. I-ano mo ko, i-follow. Message mo ko dyan lalab, ayan o. I-follow mo ko dyan para ma-message mo ko anytime. I-follow kita yung akin Islaw Kulas. Sige lalab, mag-ano ka doon, dali pero ngayon, i-follow mo ko lalab, pero mamaya pa akong gabi makakapag ano sa'yo, reply. I mean, makakapalo ba kasi na-restrict ako kagabi. Bye na muna sis ha. Sa ulitin, congratulations ulit Yahoo. Sige na love you, Asrap, mag-ingat ka palagi and God bless. YouTube no, sige na, i-follow mo na ako. Pero pwede ka mag-send ng message sa akin, lalabs. Marireceive ko yan, pero kung magko-comment ako sa ano mo, kung halimbawa, nag-comment ka doon sa video ko, hindi kita ma-replyan kasi nga na-restrict ako ng 24 hours. Napalo ako ni Meta. Love you, Ashraf. Thank you, lalab. Napalo. Sige, lalab. Anong pangalan mo? Islaw Kulas. Islaw? Ano picture nun? Ika na kasi mauna sa akin. I-follow mo na ako, lalabs. Makikita ko naman yan eh. Hindi kasi ako ngayon, maka-respect kasi nga, na napalo tayo ng 24 hours. Mamayang gabi pa ako makakapag-operate ng aking FB page. At napalo tayo ni Lolo. Hanapin mo ko doon, lalab ha. Fantastic and still guwapo mix. Ayan, from Trend Orama. Mga lalab, ligalab, shout out 6 million in the house. Unlimited support, lablabin natin mga lalab. Unlimited lalab, I'm looking for you. I'll give you banana, okay? Unlimited, I'm watching your video, my friend. Unlimited. Kuya Pet, Kuya Pets TV, Migalab shout out po, Kuya Pets. Kumusta po, Kuya Pets? Migalab shout out. Ayan, salamat po sa 30 tamsak, mga lalabs. 5 million Migalab shout out. Unlimited support, lalab. I am watching your video, my friend. You have ads, lalabs. Unlimited support is still waiting, lalab, to finish your ads. Then I will watch, then I will connect it. Napalo na kita, Islaw Kulas. YouTube mag-ano ka, sige lang, lalabs. Makikita ko naman yan, lalab, ha. Mamaya pa akong gabi makapag-follow back sa iyo, ha. Kasi na-restrict ako ng 24 hours. Bye, guys. Bye, beautiful. See you next year. Suhada. See you tomorrow, baby, tomorrow, next day, and until tomorrow. Bye-bye, YouTube, Sige na, lalab. Salamat. Ingat ka palagi dyan, and God bless. Ayan, ingat ka sa work mo palagi, YouTube, Thank you, lalab, sa support, ha. Bye-bye. 6 million mega love shout out. Unlimited support, lalab. Watching, my friend. Your video, my friend. Still watching. Mga lalab, let's connect to Train Orama, my friend. I will connect this one to you, unlimited support, ha. Still watching, my friend. Hamza Khan, Gaming USA. Assalamualaikum. How are you, sis? I am good, lalab. Hamza Khan. How are you, my friend? Mega love shout out to you and walaikum salam. Thank you for coming on my live, Hamza Khan. Thank you so much. Thank you, lalab. Thank you. I am good, lalab. And how about you, Hamza Khan? Thank you, lalab. Thank you. I am good, sis. Host, thanks. God bless you. Thank you, lalab. God bless you to my friend. Kuya Pets, nandito ka pa ba, lalabs? Kuya Pets, nandito ka pa ba? Nandito pa ba si Kuya Pets? Done watching unlimited support. Learn Quran with me. Assalamualaikum. Walaikum salam lalab. How are you? Learn Quran. How are you, my friend? Assalamualaikum. Walaikum salam. I'm good, thanks, sis. Nandito ka pa ba, Hamza Khan, nandito ka pala, love. You still here? Hamza. Hamza, you still here, lalabs? Ayan, 4 million mega love. Shout out 4 million. Learn Quran with me, lalab. I'm gonna watch your video, my friend. Learn Quran. 4.1K. Wow. Watching, lalab, you have ads. After the ads, Learn Quran, I'm gonna watch, okay? Hindi pa siya naka-live. Oh. Let's connect from unlimited support. Mga lalab, let's connect my friend. Let's connect to unlimited support. Unlimited, I give you 2 banana lalab ha. I am watching lalab, you have ads. Unlimited support. Matulog pa sa Elia ma. Still watching your ads, my friend. Unlimited support. Let's connect, mga lalab. Let's connect. Lalab, still watching. Just 2 minutes, mga lalab. I'm gonna drink water. Okay, wait a minute. I'll come back. Dan na kayo, mga lalabs. Dan na. Let's connect on the pin, mga lalab. Kino Bambam. Ayan. You know, this guy is very supportive. And lalab, thank you po, lalabs. Kino bombam, bambam. Salamat lalab sa patamsak. Ayan, salamat po sa 5 million mga lalab. Tamshek 33, salamat lalabs. Ay, bakit loading? Malas. Baka mahina yung wifi mo lalabs. Kino. Ay, my God. Ang laki na ng bahay mo lalab, Kino ay. Yung sa akin, di na nagalaw. Iwan. Tatamad kasi ako mangisda. Ay, mga lalab, 6 million mega love shout out mga lalab. Dikitan po natin yung nakapin mga lalabs. Ayan, 6 million mega love shout out mga lalabs. Lablabin po natin nakapin mga lalabs. Ayan, salamat sa inyong lahat sa inyong support mga lalabs dyan. Tadadadan, tadan. Kulas Islaw. Samira Lalab, Mega Love, shout out. Samira Chuchay, Backyard Garden Lalabs. Dayams Lalab, Mega Love, shout out. Dayams Vlog. Dayams Lalab Migalab, shout out. Dayams Lalab. Arangkada ang pobre, mega love shout out lalabs, arangkada. Kinabambam Dan, ayan, from Kukumix Vlogs. Salamat lalabs. Dano sa short video from Coco Mix Vlog. Salamat lalabs. Ayan si Dayams, nagbaba po ng kanyang bahay mga lalab. Lablabin natin mga lalabs. Ayan, Dayams Vlogs, nagbaba ng bahay. Lablabin natin mga lalabs. Kumaran lalab, migalab shoutout. Kumaran. Diyan ang lalab, diyan ang mix vlog. Tamsak dan, migalab shoutout host, harang. Lalab, salamat sa parang mo lalabs. Yan, Coco Mix, nagbaba ng bahay, Coco Mix. Diyan ang mix vlog, nagbaba ng bahay. Lablabin natin mga lalabs. Diyan ang lalab, thank you lalabs. Danarang ho, salamat lalab sa paharang. Welcome host from Janang Mix Vlog. Wow, sarap naman ng saging. Lunchtime short, lami kaayo, pagkaon sa pobre. Wow. Then watching the yams lalab sa iyong video lalab the yams. Palablab pa ako nakapin mga lalab nakapin. The Yams Vlog Dan from Janang Mix Vlog. Lalab dito sa ilalab ha, Janang. Ay lalab na sa bahay makulalab ha. Idikit ko to sa ilalabs. Ay lalab pinapanood ko pa Janang ha. Janang Mix Vlog Dan from Cook Mix Vlog. Kukumix Vlog, nagbaba ng bahay si Kukumix. Tadan, tan, tadanan, tadan. Samira Lalags. Hi Kukumix from Samira. Ayun mga lalab, magpapaalam na po ako mga lalabs. Ano lalab dyan ng Samira Lalabs. Ayan, Sir, Kuku Mix Vlogs. Maraming salamat po. Bukas na lang po uli mga lalabs. Ako'y magpapaalam na po mga lalabs. See you tomorrow mga lalab. Bye-bye. God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Bye, 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 everyone. Sure, hindi maklik. Mm-mm.